What's up, YouTube? Happy New Year. It is New Year's Eve. Sunday. New Year's Eve. We're off tomorrow, so I'm gonna enjoy it, I guess. But we're gonna take some parts over to Larkin. There's a cool truck over there I want y'all to see. Suburban behind me. But anyways, it's a old C10. Imagine that, right? But anyways, it's not my truck. It belongs to my dad. But we'll take y'all over. We're gonna head over to the jump man. It's over here warming up. We're gonna see what Larkin's doing. Larkin works at the junkyard with me. I don't know if I've showed him before. I don't think I have. He may have been in a short or something like that. But anyways, Happy New Year. Hopefully we'll do a little bit better job of this new year of making videos. Cause I kinda have it. But anyways, we'll see you over at Larkin's. Young man's warming up. Here. Let's go check him out. Look at that thing. Woo! Look in! Oh, turd. What's up, son?
Listen, living the dream.
Look at this unit. You got the master mechanic on it.
Bringing her back to life. Bringing her back.
Check it out. Check it out. It's a cool old truck. You got the wood stove going?
Yes, sir.
You got the wood stove going. I can feel it. This is Larkin's trap house, I guess you'd call it. We got the Infinity Man. But anyways, back to this truck. So my dad has brought this over here for Larkin to fix.
To resurrect.
Resurrect, Larkin says. Resurrect. Yeah. So, back up here. This thing come from the junkyard. And now it's back. Back, ain't it, Larkin?
Yeah.
This is close. Look, hold on. Oh, it opens. Look at this nugget. Shoo. Old square body steering column. Man, I hate that they put that white on that dash. They've ruined that dash, but
It killed it.
and then they got this seat. But truck has some very cool patina. Little rock right here. The door, but there ain't many that ain't got that. You know it?
It's expected.
Let's see. Got a little up here. Of course, mine's like that. But it's a 65. And Larkin's trying to get it running. So we brought him some parts for my father. And hopefully we'll see here it run. Right, Larkin?
It will run today.
It will run today, he says. It will run today. Look at this. I mean, that's cool. It's got the side trim. I love this truck. Another. Got a little rust on the hood. Golly, he's all up in there.
You gotta get in here and gotta live with it. Yeah, you gotta be one with it.
Okay, okay.
You gotta be one with it. Your daddy took and put the intake on there, I guess for show, and didn't put
no gasket.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm glad he came because I was gonna start this thing with no gasket.
You should have.
I was under the assumption there was one on it, so.
What's up?
There's another one I found.
Oh, clean that paint off?
Yeah.
Okay.
One of the old gaskets too.
You know, I could have brought you like a wire wheel.
I think I got one worth for a drill.
Okay. What about that paint job?
Jesus fucking Christ, it looks like I throwed it on there.
He did.
It looks like he throwed it on there.
Hey, it's gotta look pretty. Who cares if it runs?
Well, it's not really pretty, it made it look worse. I mean, if you're gonna do it, let's do it and make it look presentable. It was not presentable. It was definitely not presentable. I mean, if it turns out good, the motor is good and everything, we'll pull all this shit back off and dial it up if that's what he wants to do, or whatever if he won't do it himself. But I want to give him a good solid foundation to start with. I just don't like throwing stuff together. I'd rather take the time and make sure you got something worth doing it. It'd be nice if we still had that camper motor we just pulled out. That would have been sweet to go down here.
Well, sorry. I had to finance other projects.
That would have been sweet for this truck.
Well, if he would have said something, that's the thing. The bad part is, I have another motor put back. You know that?
A small block here?
Yeah, it's a little 305, but I think that's a 305.
He had little bitty pistons in it, Cusel thing or something.
Yeah, it's probably a 305.
Yeah, they were little bitty tiny thing. It looked like a damn Coke can.
I mean, you can run the numbers if you want to be specific. But
I mean, I don't know what his intentions with this truck. That's why he was wanting to go buy some stuff right now. I was like, listen, he's wanting to put a time chain gear, and I was like, hey, let's see what we got first.
Right. Let's see if it'll how it sounds, and it may not.
Yeah. That's what my concern was. I don't want him to spend that money and then hit me. Who pulled the oil pan off of it?
Him.
For what reason?
Fabricated tools we use here at the Hensley's Automotive.
That's a spark plug on a tiger paw. Look at it.
We do what we can do right
Hopefully
now.
it'll give it a little extra fire.
Yeah.
All right, guys. We had to cut it short for this video. Obviously, you didn't get to hear it run, but I have to go to my wife's building, her business, and work on a toilet. So, duty calls. So, hopefully, we'll get some more videos, more content of that C10. Hopefully, get some videos of it running, driving, whatever. But a little backstory on that truck. It come from the junkyard many years ago. There was 3, and 2 of them my papa actually bought, and then my dad ended up with 1, and he's planning on giving it to my little 9-year-old nephew. So that's pretty cool. It's cool to see young people getting involved. But anyways, thank you for watching. If you don't care, please like, comment, and subscribe to my videos. Not done a really good job of posting the last little bit of the year due to hunting season. Just a lot going on, you know, holidays, Thanksgiving, Christmas, Dino Dino's. We went out to Dino's, which was great. But hopefully for the new year, 2024, we will make some more videos. If I can't get out of here without running over somebody. But anyways, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.